How to achieve your weight loss goals. Making the decision to lose weight is a big one. But with your goals in place and a sense of purpose, you can achieve the results you want. You will need goals and a schedule. Step 1. Set realistic goals. This is the first step in achieving weight loss. Set goals that allow you time to lose the weight. Also, set goals that you can track, both long-term and short-term, in terms of eating right and exercising. Step 2. Write down your goals and your processes for achieving your goals. Note when you will exercise, what you will eat, and what foods and equipment you will need to achieve the goals. Set up a weekly exercise schedule and a weekly meal plan that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins. This way, both your calendar and your food plan will be set. Step 3. Pick a date to begin your new lifestyle. Be sure to avoid overly stressful times. Once you've picked a date, stick with it. Step 4. Evaluate your progress and your goals. Reevaluate your initial goals if necessary. Maybe things are too easy. You can bump up your exercise routine. Or maybe you need a few more calories in your daily diet than you originally estimated. Whatever it is, be flexible with yourself. Don't beat yourself up if you have a setback. Setbacks are part of changing your lifestyle. Just get back on your plan. Step 5. Focus on improving your health. Losing weight is great, but being healthy is fantastic. Look at your new lifestyle as a healthy lifestyle that you will live longer to enjoy. Did you know? Exercise has been proven to help reduce stress and anxiety due to the body's release of endorphins, which create positive feelings.
How to avoid winter weight gain. If you don't pack on those extra pounds in winter, you won't have to struggle to lose them again in the spring. Save yourself the hassle and stay trim year-round with these proven methods. You will need a journal, daily exercise, weekly weigh-ins, tangible rewards, and a healthy diet. Optional, sun exposure. Step 1. Keep a journal with all the tricks that helped you successfully lose weight in warm weather, like eating more fruit and salads and exercising, and adapt them for winter. Step 2. Exercise daily for 60 minutes. It's okay to break it up into smaller increments. Park further from your destination and walk briskly, take the stairs, or hop on a treadmill. Getting out in the sun, even if it's very cold, will give your mood a natural boost that you may be getting from fatty snacks. Step 3. Weigh yourself at least once a week to keep weight from creeping up on you. Step 4. Write down the pros and cons of how you felt physically, mentally, and spiritually before you lost the weight and after. You'll begin to focus on the benefits of losing weight, such as fitting into all your old clothing and having more energy, which will keep you motivated. Reward yourself with little gifts when you reach incremental goals. Step 5. Practice portion control and eat a balanced diet of protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Consuming slightly more protein and less fat may help you feel satisfied and curb weight gain. Now, when spring rolls around, you can dust off that old bathing suit and wear it proudly. Did you know? One study found that Americans only gain about a pound during the winter holiday season, but that the extra weight accumulates through the years and may be a major factor in obesity later in life.
How to burn fat. If your battle with bulge has become a lost cause, these tips will help you turn the tide and finally win the war on flab. You will need a diet plan and an exercise plan. Optional, a gym membership and a personal trainer. Always consult a physician before attempting to do any exercise or start an exercise plan. Step 1. Eat smaller meals more frequently to keep your metabolism humming and your blood sugar from dropping too low. Step 2. Cut out processed foods high in fat and sugar and low in nutritional value, such as snack foods, soda, and fast food. Step 3. Switch to lean meats like chicken, turkey, and especially fish. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish encourage your body to use fat as fuel. Omega-3 fatty acids are also mood elevators and have been known to improve cardiovascular function and lower your risk of heart disease. Step 4. Drink more water to stay hydrated during your workouts. Water also keeps your body lubricated like oil in an engine. Step 5. Emphasize cardio workouts with exercises like bike riding and walking to burn excess calories. Join a gym or see a personal trainer to stay motivated. Step 6. Focus on interval training that combines near maximum exertion with a moderate rest period for shorter, more intense workouts. Step 7. Combine strength training with cardio workouts to significantly increase your fat-burning potential and get the body you've always wanted. Did you know? According to the Centers for Disease Control, 70% of students do not attend daily physical activity classes during a school week.
How to calculate your body fat percentage. Your body fat percentage helps you determine your diet and exercise needs. The number gives you an idea of how much of your body is composed of fat, muscle, and tissue. You will need a caliper, the body density equation, the body fat percentage equation, and a fat percentage scale, optional, a trained expert, and an online calculator. Step 1. Know the body fat ranges to aim for if you're a woman. 10% body fat is the absolute minimum. Athletes tend to be in the 14 to 20% range. Fit people are at 21 to 24%. 25 to 31% is acceptable, and 32% and higher is too much. Step 2. Know the body fat ranges to shoot for if you're a man. For men, 2 to 4% is essential. Athletes are 6 to 13%. Fit men are 14 to 17%. And 18 to 25% is considered acceptable. 26% or more is considered excessive. Step 3. Prepare for taking your measurements. Don't drink too much water or exercise 2 hours before taking measurements, as this can skew the body fat percentage scores. Step 4. Locate the sites for skin fold measurements. For men, the sites are diagonally on the chest and vertically on the abdominals and thighs. For women, the sites are vertically on the triceps and thighs and diagonally on the suprailiac, which is midway between the hip joint and the rib cage. Step 5. Use a caliper to take skin fold measurements. Pinch and pull a fold of skin using your index finger and thumb. Use the caliper to take a measurement 1 centimeter away. Wait a few seconds for the fat to compress. Take the measurements from your right side and take 2 from each site. Have a trained professional take skin fold measurements to get the most accurate numbers. Step 6. Add your skin fold measurements and enter the sum into the body density equation to calculate your body density. For women, the equation is 0.0000023 times the sum squared minus your age multiplied by 0.0001392 minus 0.0009929 multiplied by the sum plus 1.0994921. For men, the numbers are 0.0000016, 0.0002574, 0.0008267, and 1.1093800. Step 7. Determine your body fat percentage by dividing 495 by your body density and subtracting 450. To avoid number crunching, use an online calculator to determine your body density and fat percentage based on your skin fold measurements. Step 8. Take a bioelectrical impedance analysis using a fat percentage scale if you want to bypass the math. The scale sends a low-voltage electrical current through your body to measure your fat percentage. Electricity goes faster through fat-free masses like muscles. Step 9. Understand that the error rate for these methods can be as high as 8%, but your body fat percentage range will give you a good idea of your body makeup and what goals you should aim for. Now you know your body fat percentage and can set accurate goals. Did you know? According to the Centers for Disease Control, Mississippi had the highest obesity rate in 2009 at 34.4%.
How to do a 3-day juice fast. Whether you're looking to clear your head or jumpstart a diet, a 3-day juice fast is a manageable way to do it. You will need willpower, a juicer or store that sells juice, and vegetable broths and teas. Before starting any fast or cleanse, be sure to consult your doctor, as some individuals should not fast with certain conditions or medications. Step 1. Prep your body a few days in advance by cutting out cigarettes, alcohol, and caffeine. Reducing your intake of sugar, red meat, and dairy will make the transition to just juice easier. Step 2. Purchase a juicer. It's the best way to drink fresh, pure juice. If you don't want to buy a juicer, purchase unpasteurized juice from a health food store. Step 3. Buy a wide variety of organic fruits and vegetables. Carrots, parsley, celery, apples, beets, tomatoes, kale, spinach, melons, and citrus fruits are all great choices. If organic produce isn't an option, Be sure to scrub and peel your fruits and veggies before juicing. Step 4. Ideally, consume your juice immediately after juicing. If you must, store it in the fridge for no more than a day. Different bodies need different amounts of juice, but plan to drink 5 to 6 16-ounce glasses of juice per day. Step 5. Be sure to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water each day. Supplement your juice diet with vegetable broth and herbal teas. If you're feeling stopped up, try a laxative tea. Step 6. Break your fast slowly. Start with raw fruits and salads on the first day. Then add cooked vegetables, legumes, and whole grains like brown rice over the next 2 days before gradually resuming a normal diet. Binging immediately after your fast can make you feel sick and reverse weight loss. Step 7. Keep juicing after your fast is over. It's a great way to add fruits and vegetables to your diet. Did you know? The philosopher Plato was a proponent of fasting. He believed it strengthened him mentally and physically.